People in modern society see bananas as fruit that we eat and usually nothing more. No one contemplates how we grow them or how they got introduced to the United States. However, many people don't know the background of how they made their way into the United States and into our homes. The banana trade controlled an entire country in the 20th century for a long period of time. This country was Honduras, the first banana republic, a term coined by American writer O. Henry. A banana republic is an impoverished country that relies on one specific trade to hold up the economy. It started in 1870 when Captain Baker of Boston would make trips to the Caribbean and buy a surplus of bananas to sell in the United States. When it turned out to be very profitable, he joined forces with Minor Keith to form the United Fruit Company. Other companies got involved, such as Sayumel Fruit and the Standard Fruit Companies. Bananas eventually made up 88% of Honduras' exports. These companies had tremendous power and influence not only in the banana trade but with politics. Sayumel Fruit actually organized to overthrow the Honduran president Miguel de Villa with the help of ex-president Manuel Bonilla. Sayumel was owned by Sam the Banana Man, who held a political alliance with the former president Bonilla. De Villa held an alliance with Sayumel's rival, the United Fruit Company. This threatened Sayumel Fruit with higher tax rates, and Sam ordered a coup d'etat and replaced de Villa with Bonilla. Along with political struggles, the workers who labored on the plantations were seriously mistreated. The United Fruit Company paid their workers insufficient wages with absurd hours. They barely paid government taxes. As a result, their workers formed the Communist Party and protested in strikes. The company became known as the Octopus because of its influence. These companies also promised the president railroads built throughout the country in exchange for land. They desperately needed a new transportation system besides the Great Way Fleet, which shipped bananas by boat. A railroad would connect plantation towns to the capital and then to the United States. The companies got their land, but they didn't build a railroad connecting to the capital, Tegucigalpa. This hindered the Hondurans' ability to trade within the country and greatly benefited the United States. Eventually, the United Fruit Company would buy Sayumel and dominate the banana trade. Now the United Fruit Company's Chiquita Bananas and Standard Fruit Company's Dole. Chiquita has garnered some controversy regarding their treatment of workers. They forcibly prevent their workers from unionizing and violate their rights. The United States has good relations with Honduras and is their primary trading partner. In fact, a survey reports that 81% of Hondurans view the U.S. positively.